Alrighty, and action. That was lame. So you guys are probably like, whoa, what is that in the background? New setup, who it is? It's not mine. Okay, your girl's still living with her cousins, still trying to make it out here in this world. Okay, I'm actually dog sitting, and some of you guys know I'm a babysitter slash nanny. I have to put that out there because I know there's some new people. I always say slash, I don't know why, because I feel like nanny like just sounds more professional, you know? But I'm a babysitter, whatever you want to call me. And I also dog sit, and I'm dog sitting currently slash house sitting. So pretty much when I dog sit, the family leaves out of town and I just come stay at their place for a little while. But anyway, hello there, my name is Jess, and if you are new to my channel, I make very fun, very helpful, and very creative videos for anyone and everyone with naturally curly hair. So if that seems of interest to you, definitely consider subscribing, because you will fit right in here. So I've been working over the past couple of days. You guys know the whole shebang. But anyways, I'm finally able to sit down and film a lot of hairstyles for you guys. So today I have a total of, I think it's like 7, 8, 9. I think about 9 to 10 hairstyles. I tried to keep these hairstyles as simple as I can. I didn't do too much complex things because I read all of your comments and I know a lot of you appreciate my simple hairstyles. So there's barely any braids in here. There's a lot of twists. There's a lot of just little simple and quick things that you could do. Okay. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are enjoying your break. A lot of you, I'm pretty sure, are on your break right now. I'm off work right now, so I don't have any work, so I'm gonna be posting a lot more. Yeah, let's just get into these super bomb hairstyles. So, yeah. All right, enjoy.